John Allen Taggart, 1848 to 1907, was born in Ramsey, Ayr, Isle of Man. As a young man, Taggart joined the English merchant marine, sailing vessels at sea for 6 years. Taggart came to America in 1872, serving as a mate on vessels sailing the Great Lakes. He then settled in Indianapolis, working with his brother in the bakery trade, until moving in 1875 to Tennessee, then returning to Indianapolis in 1882. Taggart married his first wife, Grace Patterson of Indianapolis, in 1875, but she died a year later. In 1879, he married his second wife, Magdalena, known as Lena Schmidt, of Indianapolis. In 1888, John and Lena opened a bakery restaurant at 15 West Main Street in downtown Mooresville. In 1896, the Taggarts replaced their wood frame structure with a brick building, which still stands today. Taggart Bakery sold boxed lunches for workers and school children, in addition to other restaurateuring items and bakery goods. Bread sold for 10 cents per loaf. When John died in 1907, Lena continued the bakery until selling to Ross C. Dinty Moore in 1913. Moore owned another restaurant in the Lindley Block in downtown Mooresville, which he bought from Horace Hadley in 1921. Taggart Bakery/Restaurant continued under the Taggart name through several subsequent owners. In 1918, Taggart Restaurant was co-owned by Frank Hadley and Pete Culbertson. In 1928, William Tincher purchased Taggart Restaurant and continued until 1930, when it became Dinty Moore's Cafe, with Ross C. Moore repurchasing the business. When Moore died unexpectedly in 1936, the restaurant was sold to the previous owner, Frank Hadley, and it was renamed Hadley Restaurant. In 1944, Hadley Restaurant was sold to the Ward family, and it was renamed the Head Inn. Around 1950, Head Inn became Taylor's Restaurant, and about 1959, it became Clark's Restaurant, which operated at 15 West Main Street through the mid-1960s. Today, 15 West Main Street is home of Bran and Short's Coffee House.